The name of the class is showroom. In majority of the question papers, we are having this category of question where we have string name. There are no other string variables and long mobile number and double cost, then discount, comma, amount. There are three variables. And after that, here, the methods are showroom. See, it's the name of the constructor. You see there is no return type. Name of the function is same as class name. Can say public only. Default constructor to initialize the data members they have said, but they haven't said anything related to what has to be written in the members initially. So we will give our own values. Mobile number equal to 0. Or you can have one sample, say XYZ. Mobile number is 123. Cost equal to say 10,000. Discount. See, it's a double type of a variable. Discount, say it is 0.1. D you can write indicating that it's a double value. And amount equal to 0.0 D. Writing D is not mandatory. Or you can initialize all the members with the initial value 0. Along with that, default constructor, here they have taken input. Initialize the data members, okay. In the input what? Customer name, mobile number, cost has to be accepted from the user. So here we have that scanner class. System.out.println. So here customer name, enter customer name. Name equal to yes dot next. So here the same thing has to be done for mobile number and cost. Mobile number. So here it is MOP number. And then cost, enter cost. And wait, mobile number cost, it is cost is double, right? So next double. And the mobile number is long integer. So next long. These all things you have to take care. And after that, public void calculate. And here to calculate the discount, you can see here they have given a table showing you based on the cost how discount has to be calculated. If cost is less than or equal to, if cost is less than or equal to 10,000, right? Discount equal to cost multiplied by 0.05%. That is nothing but 5%. Else if cost greater than 10,000 and cost less than or equal to 20,000. Discount equal to cost multiplied by 0.1. Else if cost greater than 20,000 and cost is less than or equal to 35,000, discount equal to cost multiplied by 0.15. Else, that is more than 35,000, discount equal to cost multiplied by 20%, 0.2. Fine. So discount is calculated and the cost of purchased items based on the following criteria. That means what will be the final cost? So here cost equal to cost minus cost into discount. So this will be the final cost. And then public void display, where in this you have to print all this details. System.out.println. So we have to print customer name. That is name just. There's just a dash, it's not mandatory. Customer name. And similarly for name, mobile number, amount to be paid after discount, that you have to display. So here it is mobile number. Here it is mob and mo is the instance variable name. And the cost after discount is cost only. Fine. Now you have to create an object of by name. What is the name of the class? Showroom. Showroom SR1 equal to new showroom in the bracket. And SR1 dot input, you need not to call that constructor, it will be called itself. SR1 dot calculate. SR1 dot display. Fine. This is the answer for first question. That is question number 4 from 2019 paper, section B. Now question 5. Using switch case statement, write a menu driven program. Right. So we need this. Along with that, public static void main. The name of the class we give it as menu driven. And the scanner, we'll check it out. So here what we have to do, we have to print the menu first. Menu /n, one for generate letters with Unicode /n, two for pattern using iteration. So along with that /n, enter your choice, where we'll have one variable choice equal to s dot next. Fine. So now we go for switch choice case 1. Case 1. We have letters and Unicode. Fine. So what we do, for int I equal to 0, I1, they have said capital letters, right? 65, I less than or equal to 97, 90, right? 90, I plus plus. System dot out dot println. You have to print that letter, right? So I'll say character of I plus one horizontal tab will have in between plus Unicode directly I. Before that, that heading has to be displayed. System.out.println letters /t Unicode. Fine. Now after this, break. For loop, I have not given braces because there is only one line. If you are getting confused, then it is always better to enclose the statement in the set of braces. Case 2, where in the case 2, we have displayed the following pattern using iteration. So for int I equal to 0, sorry, 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Opening brace for this j your and then system.out.println, not only print, it is j. They have given little gap. If you want, you can next to space. And after that, println, one blank println, closing of I loop, and then break. Fine. And default the system.out.println invalid choice. Break is not required. End of the switch statement. End of main program. Oh. See, yesterday we got selection sort. Now we are having bubble sort. So it is question number 6. Enter any 5 integer elements in the array and then sort them. So what we do, we'll have this version only. Here it is. Bubble sort. So here we say numbers already they have said. We'll declare the array int a of new int 15. So array name. And after that, here enter any 15 integers. For int I equal to 0, I less than 15, I plus plus. We'll have a of I equal to yes dot next int. So values will be filled in this. So here, once before we continue, it is bubble sort in Java. Bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm that works by repeatedly swapping the adjacent elements. If they are in the wrong order, the algorithm is not suitable for the large data sets as its average and worst case time complexity is high. So here, this is the thing, 6 and 0 has to be compared. That means right now where J is there, its next element has to be compared, right? If J is standing at 0, then 0 and 1 has to be compared. Next time when J plus plus, no, J will be 1, 1 and 2. If the value is greater, you have to interchange, right? Like that, you have to continue. So the one main condition what you have to follow is this one, I less than n minus 1, and for j it is j is less than n minus I minus 1. These two conditions are very important for us. So here we'll have bubble sort section. We need two for loops. For into j equal to 0. So it will be both are starting from 0. J is less than, see, this is what 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1 is. But this is 15 minus I minus 1. Right. J plus plus. Here if E of J, if it is greater than E of J plus 1, right, then what do you have to do? Interchanging of element. Intertemp equal to E of J. E of J equal to E of J plus 1. E of J plus 1 equal to temp. So this is sorting of bubble sorting logic. So these elements will be sorted by using bubble sorting. Now to print it after sorting, so what do you have to do? System.out.println array elements after sorting using bubble sort technique. So here it is, system.out.println your file. Right. This is what here one closing square bracket is missing. This is bubble sort technique. Question number 7. Design a class to overload. Fine. That means we require these two. Here what we do, we'll have function overload. So in the function overload, what shall we do is, we'll have, there are 3 overloaded methods. We'll have public void series int x comma int n. They have said to display the sum of the series. We'll have, it is, there are no decimals in this. We'll have int sum equal to 0 for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. sum equal to sum plus mat dot power x comma I. Right. There are no other special things in that. That's all. And at last, print it. So sum of series equal to, it is sum. And now one more public void series P 0, 7, 26, 63, so on up to P terms. Can anyone tell me what is the relationship between these different elements? We have to display, they have said. Yes. I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to P. P number of times. P number of terms have to be displayed. Yes, can anyone update? What is the relationship between these two? 0 plus 7. 7. Then, yes. So it is system dot out dot println. It is initially 0 is there. For everything it is raised to 1 raised to 3. Mat dot power I comma 3 minus 1. Right. It should be print. And after that plus inverted comma will enclose this entirely in one separate set of parentheses, comma, one space. Right. This is second pattern. 1 raised to 3. You can see here. Every time, like first one 1 raised to 3 minus 1, 2 raised to 3 minus 1, 3 raised to 3 minus 1, 4 raised to 3 minus 1, and so on up to P number of times. Okay. After that, again, third one public void series without any parameters. The first one was with 2 parameters, second one is with 1 parameter, third one is without parameter. So here we need to have double sum equal to 0.0. We'll have for int I equal to, see in the numerator we have all 1, but in the denominator it is starting from 2, right? So I equal to 2, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay. And then sum equal to sum plus sum equal to sum plus I divided by, sorry, 1 divided by, because numerator all terms it is having 1 divided by I. But as sum is double, no explicit conversion is required. The entire equation need to be converted to double before it is calculated with the sum. And then system dot out dot println sum equal to sum of series sum. So you need not to create any main method, only 3 overloaded function. Where function overload, there is a same name is being used, but with a different parameter list, different signature of the method. Okay. Fine. Now here, question number 8. Yes. Question number 8, we have write a program to input the sentence. Fine. That means we require this or up to scanner class it is required, or up to this item and change the remaining things. So the name of the class is display the total number. Okay, I'll give a name as sentence. Scanner class is created and we'll say enter a sentence, right? Enter a sentence. So string sentence equal to s dot next line. Okay, and after that we have to count total number of words starting with the letter A. Starting with the letter A. Right. How many are there that you have to count? So what I do, sentence equal to sentence plus one space at the end, because we are counting the words, right? Means we are going to scan the words. Or we'll check it out. Without this also will it work or not? So now what we do as usual, int I equal to 0, I is less than sentence dot length and I plus plus. And now here character C equal to so it is sentence dot character at I. If I is equal to 0, if I is equal to 0 and C equal to capital A. Before that, see, they have said convert it into uppercase, right? So what I do, before I take it into the consideration, I'll take string str equal to, it is sentence dot to uppercase, right? So I have to use the str because str is having our uppercase version of the sentence string. If I is at 0 and if C is equal to A. Okay. How many words are there? Right. So we need one more variable called int count equal to 0. If I is equal to 0 and first letter, and if it is A, count plus plus. Else if, right, else if str dot character at of I minus 1, if it is equal to space and C equal to capital A, then count plus plus, right? Other things they have not said anything. And now system dot out dot println will say number of words starting with letter A. See, A is enclosed in the single quotation mark, backslash, single quotation mark, A, again backslash, single quotation mark, then inverted equal to sign, inverted comma plus count. So this is a program, fine. So I think one space is required at the end. It is required, otherwise last word will not be considered. It's okay because we are extracting character by character, it will work. The last question is question number 9. Question number 9, tech number. Okay, so we need same initial part, import scanner all required. So we'll have the class name as tech number. And what is the tech number? They have said if the number is split into 2 equal halves, then the square of sum of these halves is equal to the number itself. Write a program to generate and print all 4 digits tech number. 4 digits tech number. Consider the number 3025. Then 3025 has to be divided into 2 and then add them and then calculate square of it. And if you get same, it is called as this. But what they have said, a tech number has even number of digits. That is very important. If the number is split in 2 halves, but at last you see what they have said, write a program to generate and print all 4 digits tech number. 4 digits tech number has to be displayed all. That means 1000 to 9999. How many are there? Those all have to be in that range. How many tech numbers are there? Those all have to be printed. So what we do, we'll have for int I equal to 1000. I is less than or equal to 9999. I plus plus. After that, we'll have one more for loop. First, we have to divide the number into 2 parts. Right. How to divide? See, int half. Before I start dividing the number, no. First, I should see to that even number of digits should be there. All are having even number of digits only. Int half is equal to I by, that means 2 digits. Wait. We have to extract first half part and second half part. For that, okay, we'll extract and we'll calculate the sum. First, we'll extract 5. Then we'll extract 2. 5 plus 2, 7. No. Those numbers have to be extracted and it has to be kept into a string. Oh, fine. Program seems to be simple, but logic is different. So that means first I have to write one loop for extracting first 2 digits. So it is best that we will store it into a string. String h1, that is first half, equal to I has to be converted into string. So what do you use? String dot value of, once cross check, string dot value of in Java converts different types of values into string. Yes. String dot value of I. Right. String dot value of I. So where it is converted into string, where in that we want to extract only the first one and second one. Right. So we'll make this as, say, x. Now string h1 equal to x dot substring 0, 3 will write. So that we'll get 2, 3 minus 1. String h2 equal to x dot substring, it is from 3. from 3 up to 5. 5 minus 1. So that means we got both the half part. First half part is H1, second half part is in H2. Let's convert back these numbers to integers. Right. So we'll have int A1 I am taking A1 equal to H1 dot, for converting it into string has to be converted into string to int in Java. Jigs for jigs. This is good. This site is good. Okay. So we have integer dot parsing function. Right. Integer is a wrapper class. ParseInt in the bracket we'll write H1. Similarly, int A2 having going to have second half part, integer dot parseInt in the bracket second half. Right. Now we'll calculate the sum. Sum equal to A1 plus A2. Along with that, I'll calculate power also. Mat dot power in the bracket A1 comma A1 plus A2 comma 2 square is calculated. Once after calculating square, if I is equal to sum, then system dot out dot println, what is that? I has to be printed. Otherwise, continue with the next number. Right. It is not only a text number. Kindly note. 1 minute. We'll just once cross check. Let's execute. Online Java compiler. Import statement required. Import is not required. Not required. Scanner is not required. Only a set of variables. Let us check. What is this? Mat.power incompatible types. Okay, A1 and A2 are of type. We'll convert it to double explicitly. Possible loss of correction. Mat.power. A1 and A2 are integers. Okay, 1 minute. So we'll do one thing. Here, in the sum now, we will have A1 plus A2 first. After that, sum equal to mat dot power sum comma 2. Now let us check. Long execution. Why incompatible? Sum is of type int. String index out of this one. See, what is happening is there are only 4 digits. But what I am doing is I am trying to extract up to 4. But what is happening? It is not allowing me to go up to end. 3, 5 means actually my expectation was 3 and 4th. 3 and 4, no. 1 minute. It is from 2 to 4. 2 and 3. But no output. That means here we have to check whether it is extracting properly or not. It is H2 means what we are getting. H2 means what? 1 minute. 99 means it is working. It is extracting correctly. H1 is working properly. Like this, we have to cross check when we have a doubt. 100. See there. 3 digits are coming. 0, 1, 2. Oh my God. Sorry. Should be 2. Now it will work. Now surely it will work. This is the way of debugging the program. 0 to 2 means 0 and 1. Then 2 to 4 means 2 and 3. And 3 is the last digit. But problem is 4 will be out of index or what? Because 4th index is not there. Taking long time. Stop. Run. Wait, reload. Time up now already. Yes. Okay, if time is completed, you can disconnect. I'll check and update. Android, you can disconnect. Yes. See here in the question paper 3025 is there. Here also 3025 is there. Perfect program working properly tech number. It is not only to find a particular number as a tech number. They have said generate all 4 digits. It is underlined specially. So you have to take care. Okay. Thank you. So this is all about 2019 section B paper. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.